Morning students, today we are going to learn about the area of a figure. Area of a closed figure. What is area? Area of a closed figure is the amount of space or surface covered by it. Okay. Perimeter, in case of perimeter, we learned the equations of how do we find out the area of a rectangle and a square, like that. In the same way, how do we find out the area of a rectangle and a square? The area of a rectangle equation is the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. By heart this, we should multiply the length and breadth, then we will get the area of a rectangle. Then what is the area of a square? Area of a square is equal to side into side, because cube sides are equal. So side into side is the area of a square. And whenever we are writing the unit, we should write in square units. If meter are given in the measure, then you should write square meter. If centimeters are given there, then square centimeter. The unit is important. So length into breadth is the area of the rectangle, and side into side is the area of a square. So how do we find out the area of a rectangle and a square? That we are doing now. One figure given there, and length, breadth 4 centimeter and length 32 centimeter. Find out the area of this rectangle. So area of a rectangle is equal to, you should write first the formula, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, L into B. That is, length is equal to 32 and breadth is equal to 4. So 32 into 4 is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 128 square. Here is centimeter, no? So square centimeter. 128 square centimeter is the answer. Next question. Rectangle given, and here width is 4 centimeter and length is 8 centimeter. So area is equal to, area of that rectangle is equal to length into breadth is equal to 8 into 4 is equal to 32 square centimeter. Square centimeter. SQ centimeter. SQUARE square centimeter. Okay. Next question. One square is given and its side is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So we want to find the area of the square. Area of square is equal to, area of the square is equal to 6 into 6. That is 36 square centimeter is the answer. Okay. Next question. Another square given, and measure is 30 centimeter length, or one side is 30 centimeter. Then area is equal to 30 into 30 is equal to 900 square centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. In this way, we can easily find out the area of rectangle and a square. One question is there. Complete the following table. That is, area given, length given. You should find out the breadth. How do we find out the breadth? Length given 24 centimeter. Area given 480 square centimeter. We should find out the breadth. Breadth. How do we find out? We know that length into breadth is area. Breadth is area. So if we want to find out the breadth, how do we find out? We should divide the area by length. Area by length. If we want to find out the length, then we should divide the area by breadth. Okay. So put this all the values in this equation. Then we will get breadth is equal to area by length. Area divided by length. Okay. So 480 divided by 24. So what will we get? 24 2s are 48. 0 0. Then here also put 1 0. 20 is the answer. So 20 centimeter is the breadth of this figure. Okay. Next question. Breadth given, area given, you should find out the length. Area given as, area given 6300 square meter. And breadth given as 70 meter. We want to find out the length. So length is equal to area by breadth. We should divide area by breadth. That's equal to 6300 divided by 70. Okay. 0 0 cancels. 630 by 7. 90. So 90 meter is the length of that figure. Okay. Next question. Area given, length given, we should find out the breadth. Area is 6400 square meter and length is 8 meter. So breadth is equal to 6400 divided by 8 is equal to 800 meter is the breadth of this figure. That is the next coming word problems. The length and breadth of a room is 23 meter and 9 meter respectively. Length is 23 meter and breadth is 9 meter. What will be the area of the carpet needed to cover the floor of the room completely? So we want to find out the area of that floor, then we will get the area of the carpet. No? Same that will be. So area of the carpet is equal to, first you want to find out the area of the room, that will be the same as the area of the carpet. Area of the room is equal to 23 into 9 is equal to 207 square meter. So how much carpet we needed? Area of carpet is equal to 207 square meter. Okay. In this way we can find out. Today that much, children. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, students. Today we shall learn how to find the area of some closed figures. Let's begin. What does the term area mean? Area measures the surface of a simple closed region. The units of area are the square of the units of length. Thus, area can be expressed in square units such as square centimeters, square meters, or square kilometers. There are two methods to find the area. One is by dividing a region into unit squares and thereafter counting the unit squares, and the other is by using formula. Let's learn about each of these in a bit detail. First, let's see how to find the area of a simple closed region by counting unit squares when the region is divided into unit squares. Look at the square ABCD. It is divided into 25 equal squares of side 1 centimeter each. Thus, we say that the area of square ABCD is equal to 25 square centimeters. Square centimeters can also be written as SQCM in short. Now, let's find the area of the given figure. Look at the figure. Here, each square equals 1 square centimeter and each half square equals to half square centimeter. Thus, on counting, we get that the given figure has 14 squares and 2 half squares. Therefore, the area of this given figure is equal to 14 plus half, which is 15 square centimeters. Now, let's see how to find the area using formulas. The area of a rectangle can be found by using the formula A is equal to L into B, where A is the area, L is the length, and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Let's use this formula to find the area of a rectangle PQRS having length 7 units and breadth 5 units. Rectangle PQRS has length of 7 units and breadth of 5 units. Therefore, by using formula area is equal to length into breadth, we get the area as 35 square units. Now, let's solve one more example to understand it in a better way. Find the area of a rectangle having length 33 meters and breadth 10 meters. Area is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 33 into 10, which is equal to 330 square meters. The formula to find the area of a square is different. It is A is equal to S into S, where S is equal to the length of the side of the square. Let's find the area of the square WXYZ having side 13 units. Area is equal to side into side. We get the answer as 169 square units. Now, let's solve one more example to understand it in a better way. Find the area of a square having side of length 9 centimeters. Area is equal to side into side, which is equal to 9 into 9, which is equal to 81 square centimeters. Remember the formulas. 1. area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. 2. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Kids, if you remember the formulas, then finding the area will not be difficult.